Ever found yourself in a plumbing pickle, frantically searching for plumbers or plumbing tools at 2 a.m.? The sudden disruption of sleep by a leaking pipe or sink can evoke a range of emotions. Annoyance and frustration often arise from the unexpected disturbance and the inconvenience it presents. Fear of potential water damage can add to the stress and anxiety. When faced with a leak that one cannot resolve, a sense of helplessness or frustration may intensify. Finding a reliable plumber becomes a crucial step in addressing the issue and alleviating these negative emotions. However, the challenge of locating a plumber at 2 a.m. can exacerbate the stress. Fortunately, the convenience of online search engines has made it easier to find emergency plumbing services. By searching for "plumbers near me" and filtering by "open now" or "top rated," individuals can quickly identify professionals available to address their urgent needs. Let me show you. Go to Google and search for "plumbers near me." Before you get to the results, I want you to focus on the filters that Google has provided. From my browser, they include "open now," "top-rated online estimates rates," "on call," "hiring discount," "trusted choice," "home warranty," etc. Our focus should be on two based on the need. The first is "open now." This option is when you can handle the situation yourself and need the plumber right away as an emergency. So select "open now" and choose the option on Google Guaranteed. They always give very competent options, and I will show you why. Then search and enter the service that you are looking for. Upon selecting the option Google gave you, you will be very happy to see that Google has done the heavy lifting, like this plumber has. 10 plus bookings nearby. Past license check. Past background check. Has business insurance, and its details are included, like the CA plumbing contractor license number and other relevant details. Google has again gone into length of even including this plumber's area of service, and you can easily check if your area is included hassle-free. Lastly, and very important, is how to get in touch with the plumber, and this as well, Google has you covered. Click on the provided number and go ahead and speak to your plumber. Get your plumbing problem solved. 90% of the people given as guaranteed by Google have always come in handy in times of emergencies. The 10% was only that they could no be reached via their number. But if you don't have a plumbing emergency, you can use the other filter option, which was top rated, and follow the same procedure to get yourself the best professionals working on your project. I hope this one helped you out. If you like this video, kindly give a like, hit the subscribe button.